Everybody, I just wanted to come on here real quick and talk about how to submit some of your assignments, like your practices. I've had a couple of questions on how to do this, so I just wanted to read through the instructions that I've written down and make sure that we understand exactly what we're doing, and I'll actually even go through some of the steps with you, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click into my student view. So this is kind of what you see when you click on this practice assignment, right? So these are the two activities you had to do. So again, if you have a printer, you can print it out. If you don't, you could have written it on a blank sheet of paper. So in order to submit your assignment, so this is the instructions that I'm about to go through, okay? So submit the activities through this assignment. So this actual assignment, you will either take a picture of your work either with your phone, if you have one, or if your computer has a camera, you can actually take it with your computer camera. If your computer has a camera, I suggest doing that because you should be able to save that picture straight onto your computer from your computer, and you don't have to do any of these extra steps. Okay, so that's what I would recommend. If your computer has a camera, I would do that. But if it doesn't, you will want to email the picture to yourself, okay, to your Cherokee K12.net email. If you don't know how to access your email, you can access it through the ET Booth website. Okay, you click on the website, you go to the student section, and there should be an icon for Office 365. All right, that's your email. You want to go into there and email it to yourself. Once you've emailed it to yourself, you're going to want to save the picture to your computer using this file name. Now, the reason why I'm telling you to use a specific file name is because some of you guys are very cute and like to save things as document 1 or document 2. And you don't really know what is within that document, so you need to go ahead and get into the habit of naming your files exactly what's within the document. That way you don't have to sit there and open them up all one after another to see, oh, okay, it's document 13 that has my writing equations practice. If you go ahead and name it that way, it takes away some of the time of searching for it. All right, so you've saved it to your computer, so this is what it's going to look like. You're going to hit the blue Submit Assignment button, and it's going to automatically pull this up, and we're doing a file upload. So you'll hit Choose File, and it'll pop up like what you're looking for. So let's just say I'm going to submit the combining like terms accelerated notes. Say that's what I'm submitting. Obviously, you're submitting your writing equations practice. You can double click on that and it will automatically, if you see here, it'll automatically attach that file, okay? And then you would hit the submit assignment again. Now, I'm not going to do that because then I have to deal with undoing it, but that's the process of how to submit your assignments. So you hit the blue submit button here up at the top, choose the file. You have to submit the assignment again. You have to click this blue button again for it to actually submit. All right? And that's how you're going to be submitting some of your practices and maybe other assignments, okay? So hopefully this helps just kind of explain what these instructions were. And you guys are going to be good to go for the next couple of days while we're still digital. All right? Have a great day, guys.